Welcome back to my channel again. So guys, in this video you are going to watch every WWE superstar release in 2025 and the reason behind their release. Valhalla released after a period of inactivity as a part of talent restructuring. Carlito was released in June 3, 2025 as a part of ongoing roster adjustment. Sonya Deville was released in February 7, 2025 because her contract was not renewed. Paul Ellering released in February 7, 2025 due to minimal on-screen involvement. Rezar was released in February 7, 2025 due to no creative plan for AOP. Blair Davenport released in February 7, 2025 due to lack of creative planning. Akam released in February 7, 2025 due to creators' creative planning. Cedric Alexander released February 7, 2025 due to lack of creative planning for him. Giovanni Vinci, reason a lack of creative direction and a perceived lack of success following single R-Truth released by WWE after refusing a low contract offer. Fans protested and WWE re-signed him. Mickie James released in May 18, 2025. Reason released as a part of behind the scene staff changes. Isla Dawn, reason released despite being a part of consistent women's tag team as a part of broader talent cuts. Carl Anderson, main reason, released while recovering from a shoulder injury, has since returned to New Japan Pro Wrestling. Elektra Lopez, released in February 9, 2025, released due to lack of creative planning for her. Carmella released in February 21, 2025 due to a misunderstanding about her contract status. Trish Stratus, reason, part-time legend, her contract concluded after fulfilling her scheduled appearances. Wolfgang released in May 2, 2025 along with his Gallus teammate as a part of talent restructuring. Shayna Baszler, reason, released as a part of a broader roster reduction. Luke Gallows, reason, he was released by WWE due to inactivity and no creative plan for him. Miko Satomura, reason, released after a tenure in NXT UK and NXT as a part of talent restructuring. Braun Strowman, reason, his high salary and concern about his physical condition following injuries. Greg Miller, reason, departure was a part of changes in WWE digital content strategy. Cora Jade released in May 2, 2025, reason, released after returning from injury with limited success. Dakota Kai released in May 2025, reason, released as a part of broader roster reduction. Jakara Jackson released in May 2, 2025, reason, released as a part of broader developmental cuts. Shotzi Blackheart, reason, contract not renewed after a tenure on the main roster and NXT. Joe Coffey, reason, released along with his Gallus teammate as a part of talent restructuring. Katana Chance, release date May 2, 2025, reason, released during roster cut. Gigi Dolin, reason, released after a brief alliance with Tatum Paxley during talent cuts. Duke Hudson, reason Triple H did not see him as a major talent in NXT. Freedom Ramsey, reason released as a part of broader developmental cuts. Mark Coffey, reason released along with his Gallus teammate as a part of talent restructuring. Oro Mensah, released in May 2025, reason released as a part of broader developmental cuts. Eddie Thorpe, reason released after a notable feud in NXT as a part of roster changes. Xavier Bernal, reason released as a part of broader developmental cuts. Ryan Papola, reason departure was a part of changes in WWE digital content strategy. Caden Carter, released in May 2025, reason released during roster cuts because of budget. Before going into the main video, so guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe this channel guys.